me. Let's use my Gentle Cleanser, Glow Recipe Cleanser. I've been not feeling well. My stomach's been hurting for days. My stomach just doesn't feel good. Done with my cleanser, just don't feel good. Now I'm going to go with my toner, Glow Recipe. But I do have exciting news. I am going to Paris tomorrow. Let's go with my Drunk Elephant Moisturizer. The reason why I'm going to Paris is because of the Olympics. So my mom's birthday was about a month ago. July 19. We didn't really do a proper birthday. Done with my moisturizer. And my mom said, oh, we should go to the Olympics for my birthday present. My dad agreed, so he said yes. Yay! Lastly, I'm going to use my spray. Skin looks so glowy. Now we're going to go with our lip gloss. We need lip gloss. Lip gloss is the best part. Guys, I got new lip gloss. So my uncle got me Korean lip gloss. I'm so excited. Now let's do hair. Let's put oil. Then we're gonna go with our perfume. I'm so excited to go to Paris. Well, skincare is done. Thanks for watching. Follow.